showbits function. This showbit function is simply taking a decimal number and giving you the bit stream. Say, let me take 15. So what will be the value of this decimal number in terms of bits? 2, 2 sevens are 14, remainder is 1. 2 3s are 6, remainder 1. 2 1s are 2, remainder 1. Okay, so we go from this side to this side. So you get 1 1 1 1. This is the binary equivalent of 15. Showbits, in the showbits function you pass 15, you get 1 1 1 1. So this is what is happening here is, we are starting from 15, you are going till the 0, and you are ending it, or you can say you are left shifting this 1 with I, and now this AND mask, every time this AND mask will change, and now AND masking is done with N. So if it is 0, you print 0, otherwise you print 1. So every time you print 0 and 1, you get a bit stream which is equivalent of the decimal number which you pass in this function. So this is the AND mask, and as we just said that you are just left shifting by 15 places. If the variable N, the most significant bit is 0, the K would contain a value 0, otherwise it would contain a non-zero value. So if K contains 0, then the printf will print out 0, otherwise it is going to print 1. And in the similar way, you are going for the second loop, this I is decremented again, hence this AND mask every time changes. So we'll now have this one. First it was here, second it was here. Next time run, 1 will be this, 0 will be this. So this will check whether the next most significant bit is 1 and 0, and it will print it accordingly. And then same similar operation is repeated for all the bits in the number.